Hello everyone, we're Volvo Group Truck 6 and we'll be presenting about the routing productivity improvement for the Volvo company. Volvo is one of the world's leading manufacturers of trucks, buses, construction equipment, power solutions for marine and industrial engines, as well as financing and services. Volvo uses design softwares like CREO Parametric to route cables in their vehicles and use a 3D model to visualize the space available in the vehicle. However, engineers still have to manually select numerous reference points from the start and end point between which a cable needs to be routed. Connecting these points is based on the experience of the engineer and is very time-consuming, as incorrectly selecting a point leaves the cable in unwanted positions, and this leads to a reselection of points. Other factors that need to be accounted for are the physical parameters of the flexible, such as the diameter and bending radius. Since there are many possibilities and various paths a cable can be routed, it is infeasible to manually find the optimal path. The focus of this project is to automate the process of generating a network route for different cables and components depending on the space available in the given area of a truck. The goal is to generate a list of reference points that builds the path while keeping track of the different parameters and conditions, such as the thickness and the bending radius. This reduces the repetitive and time-consuming process currently employed, hence avoiding a redesign in the case of a slight change. The team first established a connection between Python and CREO by developing a script to manipulate the components in the given file. We then developed an interactive program in Python that reads the selected starting and ending points between which a cable needs to be routed from the CREO file. Using this information, the algorithm is able to calculate the space available around the components and set it as a constraint. Once we have all the required calculations, we export a list of reference points which can then be imported into CREO. A cable can be selected to join these points, and this process allows the user to have a less manual experience when routing the wires for each component in the vehicle, while also improving the time required to complete this previously manual task. The team now has a suggestive and interactive interface that generates a list of reference points after considering all the space boundaries available. This list helps build a path along which the cable can be routed. It will be imported into CREO Parametric, and it enables Volvo to choose the optimal route network for its flexibles. The scope of this project in the near future is to consider the space available by including the different obstacles that may lie along the potential path. The goal is to also use a better path generating algorithm, such as some variants of the A-star algorithm. It is also critical to ensure that all the work achieved on the educational version of CREO can be implemented on the Volvo system by working alongside Volvo IT and PTC support to customize CREO for Volvo. Thank you for listening. Have a good day.